Hello, my name is Kapil Antala and I am the founder of Reemiga Lifescience Private Limited. We have been a cosmetic manufacturing company for the past 7 years. We specialize in the manufacturing of high quality personal care cosmetic products, depilatories, hair dye and perfumes. Our mission is to deliver high quality products to our customers while empowering our team to work faster and smarter. As our business expanded, our internal operations became more complex. Our team was still managing inventory, sales, purchases, and accounting using an outdated ERP system. This led to serious data issues like duplicate entries, missing reports, and frequently delivery delays. The biggest challenge was coordinating across departments and tracking everything in one place. That's when we realized we needed expert support to automate our business, improve production, and centralize our operations. After extensive research, we connected with Braincuber for a complete business solution. The team took the time to understand our day-to-day operations deeply. What are our blockages, where is time being wasted, and which process need improvement. Based on these insights, they designed fully customized Odoo ERP for us. Integrate CRM, sales, purchase, accounting, inventory, quality check, HR, payrolls, and many more. Their support was customization, implementation, training, and deployment, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Honestly, we noticed the difference from day one. Now, everything runs on a single platform. I can quickly check stock levels, track pending orders, follow up with clients, and access real-time financial reports, even from my phone while traveling. Our team's productivity has gone up. Human errors have dropped significantly, and our decisions are now driven by data. Customer satisfaction has also improved because we are now delivering on time and offering better support.
In the best part, we have freed up time to focus on growing our business. Braincuber's team has been extremely professional, knowledgeable, and supportive. Whether it was day or night, they stood by us at every step, helping us with every detail.
They didn't just implement software, they helped us transform our business something smarter, more capable, and more profitable. Even today, we are actively working with Braincuber to take our ERP to the next level by integrating AI-based automation and insights for smarter inventory planning, sales forecasting, and workflow optimization. If you are looking for a tech partner who truly understands your business, I highly recommend Braincuber.